Flash flooding earlier this evening also impacting folks in Webster County, where there were several water rescues. Drivers were asked to avoid several roads while the rain was coming down. Carissa Codell was in Webster County today looking at that damage.
I'm here on Greenwood and Kelowna, right next to I-44 in Webster County. Right where I'm standing was completely underwater at 5 o'clock this evening. Never since then, that water has been going down.
We had a lot of street flooding. Luckily, it's gone down now, but there for a couple hours it was getting pretty flooding here in Marshfield and around Northview and northern part of the county.
Nat Rains is the emergency management director here in Webster County. He tells me there were 3 water rescues in the county today from these flash floods. He says his rain gauge showed 4 inches of rain just from today, but they are waiting on the National Weather Service to give accurate measurements. Luckily, he tells me he doesn't think the county will experience any excessive damage from these upcoming rounds of storms. Most of the flooding that happened earlier in the county and across Marshfield went down very quickly. After about 30 to 45 minutes, you could see those waters recede. The emergency management director tells me he expects the typical low water crossings will be flooded as more rain comes through in the coming days.
The typical spots that usually flood, more than likely they're going to be covered in water right now. So just be careful, don't drive over any kind of water, especially in the areas that you know prone to flood. Yeah, it's been a very active year.
And again, the water here was completely over that bridge, and there was some debris even still on the bridge. We did see some people trying to clear that off. The tape is gone, and now this road is completely open. Reporting in Webster County, I'm Carissa Codell, Ozarks First.